Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, force delete a folder and files that cannot be deleted. Windows 11, 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type RMDIR space, /s space, /q space. Right-click folder, click Copy as path. Paste folder path. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type del space, /f space, /q space. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.